Alright, let's move on to the next question of the EOT exam. The volume of a pyramid can be found by multiplying the area of its base by 1/3 of the height. So the volume of the volume of a pyramid formula is 1/3 times the base. So this is the base, 1/3 times the base times the height. The height is h and the base is given as a polynomial equation, polynomial function you can say. First question, write a polynomial equation to represent the volume of the pyramid V if its height is 10 meters, sorry. So question number A says you need to find the volume, which is 1/3. The base is actually x square minus 4x minus 12, and the height out here is given as 10 meters. So we will substitute 10 here, and then we need to write a polynomial equation to represent. So what we can do is we can first multiply the 10 with 1, so it becomes 10 over 3 x square minus 4x minus 12. Further, using distributive property, we can take this 10 inside and multiply with each term. So the first term would be 10x squared by 3 minus the second term 10 times 4, 40x by 3. And since 12 is divisible by 3, so 3 can divide 12 4 times. So 4 times 10, which is again 40. So that's it. This is how you express volume in terms of a polynomial equation of x. Polynomial equation of x. In part B, x is given as 12. In part B, x is given as 12. So you need to substitute. In place of x, we will write 12. So we're going to get, 10 12 squared over 3 minus 40 times 12 over 3 minus 40. Now this is actually easy. So there are two 12s here. If we remove the 112 by 3, it will be 4. So 4 times 12 is 48, and 480 minus this will be 4 and 160, and this is 40. So it's 480 minus 160 minus 40, which is 280. So the volume is 280 meter cube. Because it is volume, you have to write meter cube. Yes. So that's it. This is how you're going to solve this question. I hope you understood. Let's move on to the next one. Find each product. Now you see the first bracket has two terms, and the second bracket has again two terms. So when you multiply them, you have to open the first bracket, the first term. It will be multiplied entirely with the second bracket. Then you have to take the second term of the first bracket, that is minus 11, and multiply it with y square minus 3y plus 2. So when you open this bracket and use distributive law, it will be 2y3, y3, because this is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 6y2, I'm sorry, this is 1 and this is going to be 2, plus 2y and times 2, 4y. The first expression is done. Minus the second expression, 11y square plus 11 times 3, 33y minus 22. So eventually, let's see which are the like terms. This is only one term. This is like term with this guy, minus 17y square. This is like with this, plus 37y minus 22. So So this is how you got to expand the brackets and simplify this using the like terms. All right, so this is how we get the answer. Let's see the next one. 4a. 9a squared plus 2a minus 7 plus 7. 9a squared plus 2a minus 7. Let's multiply them. Let's open the bracket. So you get 36a cubed plus 8a squared minus 28a plus 7 times 9, 63a squared 14a minus 49. So like terms, 36a cubed, there is no other term with a cubed. 8a squared and 63a squared will give me 71a squared. Minus 28a and plus 14a is minus 14a and minus 49. That's it. This is the final answer. Yeah, Faham, I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, this is much simpler than the previous one because there is hardly any major powers here. So m times m plus 1 plus, now take the second term, 4 times m plus 1. So eventually m times m squared, m times 1, m, 4 times m, 4m, plus 4. Like terms, these two are like terms, add them. So m squared plus 5m plus 4. Yes, yes, amazing. X plus 2 plus 2 x plus 2. Well, this can be done by direct formula also, but anyway, I've taken a long cut. X squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So it's going to give you x squared plus 4x plus 4. Cool, easy peasy. Let's move on. Okay, now this is a kanun, this is a rule. You have to remember the rule: a plus b the whole square is a square, like a power 2 plus 2 times ab plus b square. So you have to know this kanun, the rule, to solve question 3 and 4. Okay, so we have a square, which is h square plus 2 times h times 7 plus 49, like 7 square. You can also write it as 7 square. So it is h square, 2 times h times 7 is 14h, 7 square is 49. That's it. This is finished. Let's see this one. We have again a square plus 2 times x times 6 plus 6 square. X square plus 12x, 6 square in the calculator, 36. So I hope you understood this one. This is with minus now. So you should know the formula: a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So the only difference between previous formula and this formula is this minus. This is the difference. So the answer for this will be a square minus 2 times a times b plus b square. So a square minus 4ab plus 4b square. So you have to use this kanun to solve this question. Yeah, faham?